Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 1985 Toyota Hilux SR5 pickup, and this is by Majorette, and this is from their proper premium series. And I bought this for 899, which is the MRP. Okay, let's unbox this. Okay, I think you can just pull it out if I'm not wrong. Let's. Yeah, that actually worked. I was not expecting that. So it has some paperwork. Let me put this away. Anyway, I'm not going to keep it back here. So here's the card art. Let me tilt it. So the card art looks absolutely gorgeous. I mean, they really nailed it. Even on the back side, you can see the card art here. Looks really nice. Okay, let me put this away. So let's get into the casting now. Okay, it does. Okay, so it comes in a proper acrylic case. If you guys remember, we unboxed Series 2, like the entire series we unboxed. So I do have like two castings from Series 1, like I think Shelby and the Chevy Bel Air. Both are my personal favorites. I don't know where I kept it. I thought of unboxing it this week, but I missed it. Okay, we'll do that later. Okay, here it is. You can see some scratches here. I don't know how I'm getting scratches here, but okay, let me unscrew this first. I think they're assembling this by hand. Okay, I don't know where that screw where, where that screw is. Yeah, here it is. Okay, let me put this back here. So here is the casting itself. It is my fingerprint here. So okay, so apart from that, you can see some scratches here on the hood. So usually, most of the brands when they're doing this black color, they don't do it really well. So this time Majorette actually did it good, but it has some scratches here. So that's a bit like turn off for me. And it has acrylic headlights here that looks really nice. And you can see the fog lamps here, and this bumper piece here, that is okay, that is, yeah, that is plastic. And the bumper on the rear is also plastic, this part here. And this cage here, this is also plastic. And the bed is proper metal, like pure metal. And the rear view mirrors, it is really nice. These are plastic, it is not silicone kind of thing like they do in mini GTR pop race. These are like proper plastic pieces. I'm really happy about that. And you can see the wiper detailing here. The interior looks really good. I really wish they added some kind of moving parts here. And these are full metal casting, if you guys are wondering. And it has mud flaps. Nice attention to detail. You can see the leaf springs here. That is really nice. And the wheels here, it has rubber tires. And the rims on this one, these are like true to this particular actual vehicle or truck, if you may. And it has taillight detailing here that is painted. But for this price point, I mean, they did really nice for this price point. So let me see if it has suspension. No, this one doesn't have suspension, but it looks really awesome. So let's weigh this casting. I really wish they put out a different color for the first batch instead of just going with black and white. Okay, 50 grams, not bad at all. Okay, let's do a roll test now. Okay, with rubber tires, that actually rolls really well. I was not honestly expecting that. I was hoping this would stop somewhere halfway, but it even went down from the track, as you can see. So I don't know, because of the weight, I guess. But again, see, even Hot Wheels Premium has a lot of weight. Even compared to Majorette, it has more weight. But it doesn't roll really that well. So I know I am thrashing Hot Wheels a lot nowadays because I lost my patience, and I honestly seeing a lot of this Instagram post, Facebook post, everything is like selling for absurd prices for a stupid shitty casting, which is not even worth half of that actual price. Okay, I'm getting sidetracked now. Okay, let's thrash Hot Wheels maybe a later point of time. So let's talk about this casting. Okay, so you can see the detailing here also. I mean, this looks really nice. So they did it really well. Again, my only nitpick here is this particular scratch here. Again, yours might not have, so don't worry about that. So again, I'm obviously unlucky when it comes to paint jobs. So this always happens. But leaving that out, so let's rate this casting. So I don't see anything wrong with this casting. I mean, they did all the detailing really well. So yeah, proper 10 by 10 from my end. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.